Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases, and today we're going to take a look at a very cool refrigerator case that we just finished up for our friends at Studio 46 Media. So this particular case, as you can tell, has a very cool exterior laminate. This is a Wilson Art laminate called Bourbon Barrel. Now we did a few cases for them previously out of this, and this is part of a 2-case set. So this one is the refrigerator case, and we also have a very cool printer case. So just showing you some close-ups here of the laminate. This is really, really cool. So this is a laminate that we laminate to 3/8 inch plywood. And the laminate itself is very cool. So it does really look like real wood. There are even little indentations that make it look like wood grain so that it's textured when you feel it. So this is a very, very cool look if you're interested in a flight case that just maybe has a little bit of a different look than, say, black. Black cases blend in. This one definitely does not. So starting at the top here, this is a custom power distribution unit. So this is based off of a standardized one that we have that has 4 Decora punches, and it also has 2 D punches in it that we traditionally load with power cons. This one does have the 4 D punches in it, but it also has a laser etched logo of the Studio 46 logo. And as far as outlets go, these are Leviton outlets that have a USB-C and a USB-A. So we have a couple of different options available for this. You can either do 2 USB-As, 2 USB-Cs, a USB-A and C, which is pictured, or 4 USB-As. Or if you're not want charging, we can do just a regular Decora outlet. So this is a 4-space rack section. They just asked us for this panel. The top 2 spaces are open for any additional thing that they may want to put in there. So let's take a look at this drawer. All right, so looking at the drawer, the laminate is on the inside and the outside of the drawer. So here's a look on the inside here. And then here's another view of the outside. So we have a stainless steel bar handle. And then as per always, we have our heavy-duty Accuride glides here. So the refrigerator is what is billed as a 115 can beverage dispenser. So this is a specific stainless steel refrigerator. Really nice heavy front door glass. There are blue LEDs on the inside here. Perfect for trade shows or any type of venue support. All right, so looking at the lid here, we do have table legs in. And one of the things that I do want to point out here is that when we put table legs in a lid, these are actually custom steel table legs that we have made specifically for us here at LM. So they fit a lot of the confines of traditional, how should we say, road case size things. So not only do they play nicely in terms of dimensions that we like to use, they're also extremely heavy duty. And they can be used in a variety of applications. So amenities like this particular case, or a production work surface, or even athletics. We use these in athletics. You can absolutely put a athlete on this table and tape them up or do anything you need to. So anyway, those are our heavy-duty table legs. We do have slimline side recessed handles on this lid, which really aid in helping take the lid on and off of the case, as well as move it around when it is off the case. So because the table legs are heavy duty, they're made out of steel, they're very heavy, so having those handles on the side is really nice to help move the lid around. So let's take a look at the back of the case. All right, so taking a look at the back of the case, we've got 2 trap doors. We've got a top one and a bottom one. So when we cut these, we did do our best to grain match here. So we have this long darker brown stripe that happens that we did match both of the doors. So these are actually some new vent dishes that we've been trying out lately. These are perforated pen Elcom dishes, which we think are pretty cool. So looking at the back here, this is some of the power section of the case. So on the back here, you can see the distribution unit if you look in the background there. That's a fully enclosed unit. and then that wires into a courtesy 4-plex outlet that's mounted on the side here. Now that's designed for any additional power for the rack. So one of the 4-plex outlets is being used by the distribution unit. The other 3 are available for anything else that you'd like to plug in. So that 4-plex outlet is wired into another courtesy outlet box that has PowerCon in and out. So the output of the box powers the 4-plex outlet. The blue input side powers the box. And then there is a standard AC Edison on top that is cleverly labeled fridge, and that powers the refrigerator. So we didn't want to hardwire the refrigerator in so that if the customer needed to take it out for any reason, they could do that. So this little malt box was a perfect example of how we can do that. So if you're interested in the malt box here, this little stage links box that we call it, that's available from LM Cases online, and so is this 4-plex outlet with the PowerCon end. So if you just check the description in the video, you can grab those if you'd like. All right, so the last little bit that I'd like to show you guys is just the power input. So the main power for this case is hidden behind this little door like this. And all you have to do is pull out this cord. Now this is a spring-loaded, retractable 30-foot cable reel. So when you bring this particular case to an event, all you have to do is just pop that little door and pull this out. And that will power your case without the need for an extension cord. All right, everybody. Well, that wraps this video up. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, you can email me direct, billy@lmcases.com. Check us out, lmcases.com, or check us out on Instagram, lm_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope everybody has a great day.